I am the president of Advanco, and Advanco is a system integrator and solution provider in Belgium. We are based in Belgium, and we are very active in Switzerland. And we have more than 20 years of experience in supply chain execution systems, in automatic data collection, and since 4 years in BPM. The performance of the production activities depends on two elements, the planning and the execution. Planning is very important, but if the execution is not efficient, the planning worth nothing. So, in fact, the difficulty is in the complexity of events in the production area, events evolving in parallel. You can imagine a lot of people working with numerous machines for many work orders, using the same or different tools, and this sometimes moving from one shop floor to another shop floor, or even from one plant to another plant, and all those possibilities in a multilingual environment. So the question is, can the real players in the field contribute to the global performance of the production of the plant in these conditions? So the answer is I think, an efficient execution management model. So this model has to be supported by a software designed in coherence with the activities, special activities of the plant, and also with the players, people of the company. So the execution management model is the key, and has to be supported by software. Our solution is PPM, and PPM means Production Processes Management. And PPM includes a set of functionalities like dispatching the work to the workshop, like dealing only with the exceptions and deviations and going into the details when it's necessary, like enabling the continuous improvements, specifically for the operation timings, real timings, compared to the standard timings, and also, for example, for the uploading of this information, correct information to the ERP. So actually we came with two innovations. The first one is an event-driven model called PTRS, P for processes, T for transactions, R for rules, and S for states of significant states for resources. So PTRS allows to analyze and design almost naturally the processes, complex transactions, complex events, states, resources, states, and rules. The result is the second innovation. We developed a mixed technology architecture using, in one hand, MetaStorm process engine, and on the other hand, .NET web services based modules developed by Advanco. The first application of this architecture, very new application architecture is PPM deployed at our client, first client, Nexans in Switzerland. Nexans, the group Nexans, is a world leader for the cable manufacturing, and they had the benefits of these systems very recently. The system is running and deployed since I think 3 or 4 weeks, and the supervisors said that they are very happy because it's a user-friendly system, better than the previous systems they have seen, and they are very happy because they can fix the thresholds of the dashboard themselves, modify them themselves. So we gave them power to for their reportings and alerts. And the project manager said that it's a already stable system and already accepted by the users and operators, which is a difficult thing. The IT director said that he is very happy saving all the investments they have already done in the shop floor, on the equipment, but also on the change management. So they are, for the time being, very happy. And this thanks to the powerful functionalities of MetaStorm, like dashboard, like workflow engine, execution process, execution engines. And I think we reached our vision, and our vision was how to profit from MetaStorm's modules and provide a solution, effective solution to the factory floor for execution management. From my experience, I can say that to start to design this kind of system, first of all, the business analysis is very important, and then using any architecture to implement this analysis. And most of the problem is becoming when we want to implement this kind of architecture, very innovative architecture. Most of the time there is a resistance from the IT department because it's a new product, because it's a change. So I would recommend that the IT department be involved from the beginning, in some cases, and not at all in other cases. So it depends. But anyway, they have to start with the business users to design the solution.